I've always loved fast and beautiful cars. I love driving them, I love looking at them, I love being around them. I love everything about the car culture. But most of all, I love detailing them.
It all began back in the 90s, when I was around 5-6 years old. My dad would take me to his work all the time. I used to do something wrong, like in school, at home, whatever it was. So that was my punishment, me going with him and learn the hard way, which was working as a young kid and learn how to work with cars. Dad was an expert at working on paintwork, and it was so inspiring watching him work on the helicopters, especially on the army ones. This is when I first saw the PPF, which is the paint protection film that we use today on cars. But back then was free-handed, and today is everything cut by the plotter and tailor-made for the cars. That's what we are specialized in. I learned even more from him, and also learned that skill comes from hard work. There is talent and there is skill. Skill comes from beating over your craft. Talent runs with you. I can say I'm blessed with both. I work on the best cars in the world so far, and my ability and experience was on display when I worked with a Lamborghini, McLaren, and of course Bugatti. Thousands and millions of pounds worth of cars. And REN, we don't rush things, we take our time for the perfection. So I kind of have the OCD, having everything perfect. I'd rather do it correctly and have a happy customer coming back. This is where we make a bit of a difference. At REN, we can provide you with the best tools in-house. We've got everything prepared to work on the best cars in the world.
At REN, we are obsessed sharing what we've learned. We are professional and fanatically passionate on what we do. In the end of the day, we are here to clean, enhance and protect your pride and joy, so you can drive the hell out of it.